Hi, so in this video we are going to see which websites are using our Google account. For this, right click on the right hand side of your Google account and select manage account. From here, go to left hand side and you will see option for security and sign in. Click on that, security and sign in, and we will scroll down and here you can see option your connection to third party apps and services, and below you can see all the applications or websites which are using your Google account. If we click on the see all connections, it will take you to the list of all the applications. You can see I'm using Dropdown, Canva, OpenAI, Postman and other. And let's click on Canva, and here you can see either we can delete this connection, or if we click on see details, it will tell you which website it is and on which date it was connected to your Google account. And if we want to stop this connection, we will click on stop using sign in with Google, and that's all. That's how you can remove the Google access from your third party applications or websites. Follow me for more such cool tricks and Java interview preparation material.